Welcome back to our channel, Engineering Explorers. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the fascinating world of engineering career levels. Whether you're an aspiring engineer or already on your professional journey, this video will provide valuable insights into the different stages you can expect to encounter. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the career levels, let's briefly discuss the diverse fields within engineering. From civil and mechanical to electrical and chemical engineering, the possibilities are endless. Each field presents its own unique opportunities and challenges. Keep in mind that the career levels we'll discuss apply broadly across engineering disciplines. Level 1, Entry-Level Engineer. The first career level is the entry-level engineer. This stage typically starts after completing your bachelor's degree. As an entry-level engineer, you'll work under the guidance of experienced professionals, gaining hands-on experience, and honing your technical skills. You'll be involved in project research, data analysis, and assisting with design tasks. It's crucial to embrace a learning mindset and actively seek opportunities for growth during this phase. At this level, you'll have the chance to collaborate with multidisciplinary teams, which will enhance your communication and teamwork skills. Additionally, you'll gain exposure to industry-standard software and tools, allowing you to become proficient in their use. This foundational experience lays the groundwork for your future growth as an engineer. It's important to note that entry-level positions may vary in different industries and companies. Some organizations offer structured training programs or rotations to expose you to various aspects of the engineering field. These opportunities allow you to explore different specialties and find your passion within engineering. Level 2, Junior Engineer. Moving up the ladder, we have the Junior Engineer level. At this stage, you'll have a few years of experience under your belt and a solid understanding of the industry. Junior engineers take on more responsibilities and begin to work more independently. You'll collaborate with teams, contribute to larger projects, and may even start mentoring entry-level engineers. Developing strong communication and problem-solving skills is essential during this phase. As a junior engineer, you'll have the chance to apply your technical knowledge to real-world challenges. This involves designing components, conducting experiments, and analyzing data. You'll also become more involved in the decision-making process, providing input and suggestions based on your expertise. This stage is crucial for developing your engineering intuition and sharpening your problem-solving abilities. It's worth mentioning that continuous learning is still important at this level. Stay updated with the latest industry trends, attend conferences, and engage in professional development activities. Building a strong network within the engineering community can also open doors to new opportunities and collaborations. Level 3, Senior Engineer. The next career level is a Senior Engineer. As a Senior Engineer, you've gained significant experience and expertise in your field. You'll be responsible for overseeing complex projects, making critical decisions, and providing technical leadership. Senior engineers are often seen as subject matter experts and may act as mentors for junior team members. Continuous professional development and staying updated with emerging technologies are crucial at this stage. At this level, you'll be involved in project management, coordinating teams, and ensuring deliverables are met. Your experience will enable you to tackle more challenging engineering problems and contribute innovative solutions. Senior engineers often collaborate with clients, stakeholders, and other departments, requiring strong communication and leadership skills. Additionally, senior engineers may be involved in research and development initiatives, exploring new technologies and methodologies. Sharing your knowledge through publications or presenting at conferences can further establish your reputation as an industry expert. This level provides ample opportunities for professional growth and recognition within the engineering community. Level 4, Engineering Manager. Now, let's talk about the Engineering Manager level. At this point in your career, you've transitioned from a purely technical role to a managerial one. Engineering managers are responsible for leading teams, setting goals, and ensuring projects are completed successfully. Your focus will shift from hands-on technical work to strategic planning, budgeting, and resource management. Effective communication, leadership, and organizational skills are paramount as you guide your team to success. As an engineering manager, you'll be responsible for overseeing the day-to-day operations of your team or department. This includes assigning tasks, monitoring progress, and providing guidance to team members. You'll also act as a bridge between the engineering team and upper management, ensuring that projects align with organizational goals. In this role, you'll have the opportunity to mentor and develop the skills of your team members, fostering a collaborative and productive work environment. Your experience and technical expertise will be essential in resolving conflicts, making strategic decisions, and maintaining high-quality standards. Continuous professional development in leadership and management principles will support your growth as an engineering manager. Level 5. Executive Engineer, Director. Finally, we have the Executive Engineer or Director level. This is the highest level in the engineering career hierarchy. At this stage, you're responsible for overseeing multiple departments or even an entire organization. Your role will involve setting long-term strategies, driving innovation, and shaping the direction of the company. Executive engineers are influential decision-makers, working closely with top-level executives to achieve business objectives. As an executive engineer, you'll have a broad perspective on the engineering industry and leverage your expertise to drive organizational growth. You'll be involved in setting budgets, establishing partnerships, and exploring new markets. Your decisions will have a significant impact on the company's success and its ability to stay at the forefront of technological advancements. At this level, effective leadership, strategic thinking, and strong business acumen are critical. You'll be responsible for building and maintaining relationships with key stakeholders, representing the company in industry conferences and events, and ensuring that the engineering department contributes to the overall success of the organization. And that wraps up our exploration of the career levels in engineering. Remember, career progression is not solely determined by time or position titles, but rather by the skills you develop and the impact you make. Embrace opportunities for growth, seek continuous learning, and always strive for excellence in your engineering journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Let us know in the comments which engineering level you're currently aiming for or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring and engineering.